Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics, Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. Dear students, our subject is Operation Research, Introduction Lecture 1C. Unit wise syllabus and COs. Unit 1 Allocation, Development, Definition. Development means development of Operation Research, definition of Operation Research, characteristics and phrases, types of models, operation research models, applications. Linear programming problem formulation, graphical solution, simplex method, artificial variable techniques, two-phase method, big M method, duality principle. Note down. Course outcome. Develop formulation of the linear programming problem LPP from the real world problems. Already I told you, all are real world problems in operation research and able to apply the suitable method for solving LPP. Suitable method means mainly two methods are there. Forming a linear programming problem. Suppose the problem has two variables, two decision variables. Use graphical method for solving the linear programming problem. Two or more variables use simplex method, particularly big M method, two-phase method if necessary, and solve the linear programming problem. Unit 2 Transportation problem, formulation, optimal solution, unbalanced transportation problem, degeneracy, assignment problem, formulation, optimal solution, variance of assignment problem, traveling salesman problem. Sequencing, introduction, flow shop sequencing, n jobs through two machines, n jobs through three machines, job shop sequence, and two jobs through m machines. Note down. Course outcome of Unit 2. Distinguish the importance among the procedure of solving the transportation problems, assignment problems, and solving the sequential problems. Already I told you, in transportation problem, the number of origins and destinations are equal or not equal. But in case of assignment problem, origins and destinations equal. Sequential problems, two origins, n destinations, n origins, two destinations, traveling salesman problem. These are all belongs to sequential problems. Solve this type of problems. That is our course outcome. So getting solution of all these problems is our course outcome. Unit 3 Replacement. Introduction, replacement of items that deteriorate with time when money value is not counted and counted. Replacement of items that fail completely, group replacement. This is the syllabus. Course outcome. Analyze the application of the replacement problems, and we know the difference between individual and group replacement policy. Also we know how to select the best machine and in which time the machine should be replaced. These are the outcomes of the Unit 3. After studying this syllabus, the outcomes are these. Unit 4 Theory of Games. Introduction, Minimax, Max-Min criterion, and optimal strategy, solution of games with saddle points, rectangular games without saddle points, 2x2 games, dominance principle, m/2 and 2x games using graphical method. Waiting lines, another part of theory of games. Introduction, single channel Poisson arrivals, exponential service times with infinite population and finite population models. Multi-channel Poisson arrivals, exponential service times with infinite population, single channel Poisson arrivals. This is the syllabus of Unit 4. So, course outcomes of Unit 4. According to above syllabus, formulate and solve the game theory problems by using arithmetic method, dominance principle and graphical method with and without saddle point. That is for game theory outcome. Weighting lines outcome. And to know the solution of queuing models and the limitations for its applications. This is the outcome of Unit 4. Unit 5. Inventory. Introduction. Single item. Deterministic models. Purchase inventory models with one price break and multiple price breaks. Shortages are not allowed. This is deterministic models. Deterministic models. From these two types here. Stochastic models, demand may be discrete variable or continuous variable. Instantaneous means infinite. Instantaneous production, instantaneous demand. And continuous demand and no setup cost. This is the syllabus for inventory. Course outcome. Examine and identify the inventory models and stochastic models. Three types are there. In these three types, totally 6 types of problems are there. And identify those problems and to get the solution of those models. What are the problem is given, we have to solve, we have to get solution of those models. That is course outcome. Unit 6. Dynamic programming. Introduction. Bellman's principle of optimality. Applications of dynamic programming. Capital budgeting problem, shortest path problem, linear programming problem. 3 applications. In this, another topic is simulation. Definitions, types of simulation models, phases of simulation, applications of simulation, inventory and queuing problems, advantages and disadvantages of simulation. Lastly, simulation languages. This is the syllabus of Unit 6. Course outcome. Interpret and select the sequencing various jobs and solving various queuing problems, and to know different applications of dynamic programming and simulation of different models of real world problems using computer models. So, in lecture 1A, what is operation research? Outlook of the operation research and the definition of operation research and the comments of operation research is there. Introduction 1B, unit wise, real world applications. In introduction 1C, unit wise syllabus and course outcomes. We discussed those in lecture 1 of 3 parts ABC. Observe lecture 1 carefully. Definitely you will get some idea on operation research, how to learn, how to prepare those things familiar to you. Wish you all the best.